So hello friend, today we are going to review Cast. Reveal $19.7 billion company pay us to copy and paste online. 100% done for you 2-click system. Get free buyer traffic which makes you 1000 per day. Push button copy paste with fire buyer traffic built in. Zero experience required. They are making at least 1000 rupees per day. Get started in less than 60 seconds. Free buyers traffic in record time. The fastest income we have made so far this year. Copy paste system. Perfect for newbies, veterans. No experience or skill required. Beta user getting fast result. More on all device and work on all device. Private members community 180 money back guarantee. You also get a free gift. The first 100 buyers also get the super profit suite which gets more buyer traffic and faster result good worth 1997 means $200. Your 1000% free. Grab your cash now at one time price. You just have to pay $17 and use forever. Has generated over 13,971 approx 14,000 in profit into our online account from 100% free traffic less than 30 days and generate free buyers traffic from secret $19 7 billion source which gets us paid every day. That's another payment of 12,000 and $281. Real people are getting real result with the cash system. Nothing worked for me until I got cashed. My first day I generated 465 without selling anything and only took me about a minute to get things set up. I speechless thanks for. So get to the testimonial. Tyra Mice says that nothing worked for her until she got cashed. Her first day generated 465 without selling anything and it only took her a minute to get this set up. Second Second one is Mark Orange. He said that most methods are just over his head, but caste is finally something that makes sense to me. I was able to get into going right away and I made money my first day. Thanks, I will be telling my friends. Third is Imran Latif. He said that cash sounded too good to be true, but sure enough, I got traffic and sales on my first day all in all. I have made over $200, $2,000 in just 48 days. Highly recommended to everyone new and old. Back proven to work by countless beta testers from all over the world. All the beta testers started with zero experience but all made money. It worked for them, so it could for you also. All we are doing it to see great result is copy and paste. It's so simple. Even my 95-year-old grandmother could do this with cast. All we are doing is copy and pasting link in involved made by other people. Each cast profile platform pays us over $1,000 per day. So whenever we need to earning boost every simple activity another one, it takes less than 60 seconds, and if you can copy paste then you qualify to use the cast app, and it works in just three simple steps. Click to buy button and secure your copy now. Second, log in and turn on the copy paste function. Third, activate the traffic button to enjoy free traffic to your brand new cast system. Imagine setup 3 easy setup to life on your terms instead of a life filled with more free time, more freedom, more enjoying in finer things, more fulfillment, peace and happiness. It's already happening for us and there is no reason why it can't happen for you. Grab cash now at a one time, just pay $17 and use forever. From the desk of Glenn Kosaki is the former underpaid 9 to 5 employee turned 7-figure online expert in London. Dear friend who deserve more, are you crushing your financial goal set or like everyone else has the last couple of years been to toe on on your too? If so, what I'm sharing here can turn everything around you for. So, yes, that's bold claim. I don't expect you to take my words for just it. So, I will show you to enable proof of how well this works with independent result from real user. To start, let's bust the biggest myths online. Take 90% of marksheet bros. To make money online, you need to your own content. It's totally wrong. You need to be creating new content every day. It's totally wrong. Every day your own content, people won't trust you and buy from you. False. The only way to get free Google traffic is with unique content. It's totally false. Ever fall for this like I have? It's easy to, because technically content does fuel with internet, but it doesn't have to be your content. So if you want to see result fast, creating your own content is a horrible idea. Most people hate making content. It's too much like homework, but the gurus have drilled into our head that we have to. So for years people have struggled to make video, overcome their fears and being on camera, research and write blog article, contribute for forums, try to come up with unique social media posts, and the biggest hardest one of all, creating and sell their own products. What happens when you do something you hate? You usually do a lousy job, right? So all these people are making creepy videos, article, content, post, product because that was the guru told that to do, but they are not making money because the content sucks. So they try to spend their way out of the problem with, and the more products the gurus happily sell them. It's vicious circle. And who are the only who making money? The gurus who lied to you about creating content in the first place. We have been cashing in without creating content and without any hard work. Thanks to our powerful new technology, it's now point and click easy. This cutting edge tech eliminates the need to do anything complex at all. So you can forget worrying about email marketing, domain registration, creating content, making website, making videos, paying for a figure out traffic. We have developed a platform that leverages other people content 100% legally. They actually want you to use it, so you never have to create content again ever. And the same platform monetize the content for you in multiple different ways, so you don't have to figure anything out your own. Why this method is the best method? This isn't a loophole that can close and gimmick that can go away. This is the proven content marketing at its best. The same formula that's been making hard-working marketers money for decades, but now automated and 99% done for you thanks to our cutting-edge technology. Here's what that look like: 100% free viral traffic from multiple sources including Google and YouTube, premium DFI content in any niche, built in monetize from multiple source, copy paste profit system which can translate directly into you, recurring income, the holy grail. The famous personality like Mr. Beat, PewDiePie, Tim Ferriss and Dude Perfect, they both are using Grab Cash. So why you are waiting or wasting your time on doing? With our new app you don't have to deal any of that. Save time and no content. So why you are waiting? Grab cash now at only one time. Just pay $17 once and get your online journey.